And 3, 2, 1. Welcome Year 5 to some whole number assessment preparation with Mr. Burns. We're just going to move right along, thank you. Right, and this page here should pertain to page number 2. So I'm just going to write down page 2. This should be about page 2 of your assessment. It should say page 2 down the bottom. And this video is just to help you, not to do the assessment, but it's going to give you questions like your assessment. So let's just have a go. Look, there's a number there. Read that number out for me. You can see it up the top left there. Read it out for me, and then I want you to write down in your books. Here's the number. Right, there it is. Okay. I want you to write down in your books what that number is in words. So do that for me now. Pause me. Okay, you should have paused me. I'm going to show you what that number is in words. Let's have a go. Okay, and we're back, and there's the answer, and I hope that you got that. Let me see if I can just do a little pointer. Alright, let's get rid of that. That has been a fail. Okay, and of course here we have the 800,000, 90,000, 7,000, the 300, the 40, and the 6 units. So that's 897,346. Okay, you'll get a question just like that. Okay, for question B, I want you to write down what is the next number. So what is this number up here plus 1? Write that down in your book. Question B, what is that number up there plus 1? Okay, thanks. Have a go. What is the next number along? Pause me. Okay, and that's the number you should have gotten, 897,347, because you should have just plus 1 here in the ones column, in the units column, just there. Okay, let's do question C, thank you. I want you to have a go at adding I want you to add 100,000 to this number here. This number up here, I want you to add 100,000. You have to find the 100,000s column and add 1 to it. Okay, that's going to be question C. So have a go at that now. Add 100,000 to this number up here. This one, add 100,000 to it. Find the 100,000s column. Okay, pause me and have a go at that. Okay, I do hope that you've paused me. Okay, the answer you should have gotten was 997,346, because of course here is your 100,000s column, guys, so you should have added 1 to that. Okay, let's go over the page and have a go at question D. Okay, and there's the number again up the top, thank you. I want you to tell me, thank you, what is the value of that 7? That's your question D. Find for me the value of that 7 there. I've just underlined it. Right, pause me and find it out. Use the place value columns again. What's the value of that 7? Okay, I hope you've paused me, because the answer is 7,000. That is really 7,000, and I hope you put 7,000 down, because of course here's your ones, there's your tens, there's your hundreds, here's your thousands. So you should have put down 7,000. Let's have a go at question E. Oh, it's going to be in red. I don't want it to be in red. Let's make it E in... Oh, it's not going away. Oh, what? E is going to be in black now. I've fixed that up a little bit. Have a go at question E. And I know my handwriting looks like a kindergarten student. I'm sorry about that. It's my bad hand at this point. I want you to tell me how many hundreds are in this number. How many hundreds are in this number? Okay? Don't be tricked. The answer's not 3. How many hundreds are in this number? Okay, pause me and have a go. In total, how many are hundreds? Right, I hope you've paused me, because I'm going to reveal the answer. The answer is 8,973. That's how many hundreds there are in total. Look, everything from the 3 included. Right, because of course 3 is 100. Isn't it? You've got 300s there, and then you've got 7,000 sorry, I made a mistake there. You've got 300s there, and you've got 70 hundreds there, and you've got 900 hundreds there, and then you've got 8,000 hundreds there. But the trick is just to remember, start at the 100 value and go up. So there is in total 8,973 hundreds in this number, because 3 is in your hundreds place value column. Okay. We're going to do question F now. I want to have a look at question F. And again, forgive my kindergarten handwriting, but it's just the angle of my device here. I want you to round this number off, this number up the top here. I'd like you to round it off, and I just want to see if I can rub something out. Hang on a moment, U5. I'm just going to have an experiment. Nope, can't rub it off. I want you to round off this number up here to the nearest, I want you to round it off to the nearest 10,000. I think that's appropriately hard. Round off this number to the nearest 10,000. So of course you're going to want to try and find the place value column, aren't you? Well, where's the 10,000s in the place value column? And then, well, do you need to go up or down? And the rest of the numbers after it should be 0. Okay? So round it off to the nearest 10,000. Okay, pause me. Have a go. Okay, and this one's a tricky one, guys, because of course you want to round, here's your thousands column, isn't it? There's your thousands column, so you want to take that up or down to the nearest 10,000. So is it going to go up or is it going to go down? Well, it's a 7, so that means it's going to go up. So that means if this 7 goes up, that's going to go up all the way to 10,000, right? The nearest 10,000, which is going to make this actually, it's going to go over. Going to go over, because if that's going to go up 3,000, this is now going to become 900,000, and that's your answer actually if you round that off to the nearest 10,000. And I'll just say that again in case you're unsure about this. This 7 here has of course got to go up to the nearest 10,000, which is going to increase that, and that's going to make that go up as well. Okay. And so that then is going to go up to 9. Right, so it's going to be 900,000. Now let's have a go at question G. I would like you to put these figures in order from largest to smallest. Thank you. From largest to smallest. So the figures are just about to appear. Here they come. Okay, and there you go. There's 4 figures there. I want you to order those from largest to smallest from me. Thank you. So write them down, largest to smallest. You're going to need to use your place value column probably. Okay. Pause me and have a go at that. Okay, I hope you pause me because I'm going to reveal it. We'll look straight away. This one over here, this has actually got a million value. That's millions, okay? Because of course here's hundreds of thousands, and so over here you've got your millions. So that's the biggest. So we're going to call that one number 1. That's your largest. Second largest, well, it's got to be over here, doesn't it? Because your 100,000 value is a 9 there. So that's your second largest. Third largest, well, obviously it's going to be over here because your 100,000 value is a 7. So that's 3. And your fourth largest by default would be that one. Okay, I hope you went well there. Last question for this video, guys. Let's just move along. Okay, year 5, with this challenge I want you to count on from 10,000. Well, actually I want you to add 10,000 on to this number. Get rid of that. I want you to add 10,000 on to this number, okay? I want you to write it there, then I want you to add it on another 10,000, and I want you to add on another 10,000, and this should be the number you end up at. Remember to add to the place value, to the right correct place value column. So you want to add into the 10,000s column, which I'm not going to show you where you should find the tens of thousands columns. Alright, pause me and see if you can do that all by yourself. Thank you very much. Alright, I hope you paused me because I'm going to do the answer now. So adding 10,000 to 493,056 should take you over to 503,056. Then add another 10,000, that should be 513,056. Then it becomes 523,056. And of course, all that was happening there is you really added just 10,000 to this column here every time, didn't you? Just went up every time by 10,000. Okay, until of course you ended there. So there's your 10,000s column. There's your 10,000 column. There's your 10,000s column. There's your 10,000s column. And there's your 10,000s. Alright, that's that video. We're done. We're going to do the page 3 video next. But you can have a go at page 2 for me now. Thank you. Thank you very much. Remember, these aren't the actual questions, but they're just like the questions on the assessment.